In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you're working in Cinema 4D 2019 or 2020 and your materials aren't behaving, this walkthrough will help you get them back on track quickly and cleanly. Let's start with missing textures, which is one of the most common issues after moving a project or reorganizing files. Open the material by double-clicking it, go to the Color channel, and look for the small button with 3 dots next to the texture field. Click that, then navigate to the image file in its new location and confirm. You should see the preview update right away. If your material uses multiple maps, repeat the same relink in the other relevant channels. Keeping textures in a consistent project-relative folder makes this process faster next time, but for now, just make sure each map points to the correct file. If the texture shows up, but it looks stretched, tiny, or misaligned, the issue is usually projection or scale. Select the object and look at its material tag. Change the projection to cubic. This mode often gives predictable, even coverage without seams on many hard surface objects. Then adjust the length U and length V values to match the scale you expect. Smaller values will tile the texture more, larger values will spread it out. Keep an eye on how the pattern lines up across edges and try to keep U and V proportional so it doesn't distort. For curved models or objects with fillets where seams are especially noticeable, try using a triplanar mapping node. Triplanar blends the texture from 3 aus, which helps hide seams and reduces stretching across rounded edges and complex transitions. If your previews are coming out black or the material renders wrong, verify that you're using the intended renderer. For example, if the material is built for Redshift, make sure Redshift is selected as the renderer rather than a generic viewport or a different engine. Using the wrong renderer can cause missing effects or black outputs, especially with node-based materials. Also, take a moment to confirm your scene, and render settings are configured for the renderer you chose. Small mismatches there can cause unexpected results that look like material problems. If everything seems correct but something still behaves inconsistently, it may simply be the scene acting up due to a bug, so keep that in mind as you evaluate what you're seeing. Follow these steps and your material should look the way you intended. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to creating with confidence.